And it's now time for the business day. Proven Group has announced a strategic restructuring of its wealth management operations across the region as part of its focus to enhance efficiency and increase profits. The group announced plans to consolidate its Cayman wealth management business, including financial advisor services, into Proven Bank Cayman, pending regulatory approval. Additionally, Proven will leave its smaller financial advisor businesses in Bermuda and the British Virgin Islands. These operations, which struggled to recover from the impacts of COVID-19, will be wound down over the next 60 days. The group says it will now concentrate on markets with a significant operational presence, including Cayman, St. Lucia, Jamaica, and Barbados. As part of the restructuring, Proven has also begun consolidating all its financial services onto a unified IT platform. The process is expected to be completed in the first half of 2025. The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce has confirmed the increase in the importation of ice into the country. Details in this report.
Jamaica's primary manufacturer of ice, Pure National Limited, suffered a major setback after a fire caused extensive damage to its plant a few months ago. It's why, according to the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, imported ice is being sought into the market to maintain supply over the next 6 months. This measure, it explained, is necessary to ensure an adequate supply of ice, not only for the festive season, but to also support key sectors such as food and beverage and tourism. The ministry says it is mindful of concerns regarding pricing and has directed the Consumer Affairs Commission to closely monitor the market and ensure that consumers receive fair prices for ice during this period and beyond. In the meantime, the ministry revealed it has sought a common external tariff suspension on ice. This measure aims to reduce importation costs and facilitate more competitive pricing for consumers. Now, this application is currently with the CARICOM Secretariat, and a response is expected during January 2025. The ministry urges all retailers of ice to uphold fair pricing for consumers during this period. Now, Pure National Limited anticipates a full return to production by mid-2025. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 1,719 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 41 points. Among the 57 winners, JPS 9.5%, ISP Finance Services, Lumber Depot, Lasca Financial Services, and Mayberry Group. The 38 losers were led by CAC 2000, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Proven Group US dollar shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, as well as the KLE Group. 23 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $156.25. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $108.30. $197.34 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $163.79. And that's it for the business day. International stories are next.